Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, we are going to take a look at 40 probable questions that you are likely to see in Chemistry Jam 2025. Okay, but before I start, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. So let's get to it. All right, number one, the relative atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. What does this suggest? And you can see a couple of answers there. And the correct answer there is C. Chlorine exists as a mixture of isotope. Let's move to number two. What is the number of electron in Na plus? That is sodium. A 11, B 10, 12, C 12, D 9. So the correct answer here is B 10. Number three, the electronic configuration of oxygen is, you can see a couple of options there. The correct answer is A, 1s2, 2s2, and 2p4. Number four, the mass of 1 mole of oxygen gas is dash. The correct answer there is C, 32 grams. Number five, which of these is a noble gas? The correct answer there is C, neon. Number six, what is the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4? The correct answer is C, +6. Number seven, what is the pH of a neutral solution in 25 degrees Celsius? So if you look at the options, you observe that the correct answer there is 7, which is B. 8, which of the following is a base? The correct answer is C, NaOH. It is a base. Now move to number 9. What type of bond exists in sodium chloride? A. Covalent bond, metallic bond. B. C. Ionic bond. D. Van der Waals bond. And the correct answer for that question is C. Ionic bond. Now number 10. What is the shape of a methane molecule? This is very simple. So the correct answer there is tetrahedral. So the answer is B. 11. Alkanes are generally A. Atomic aromatic compound. B. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. C. Saturated hydrocarbons. D. Inorganic compound. So the correct answer here is C. Saturated hydrocarbons. 12. The general formula for alkene is, the correct answer there is B. CnH2n. Number 13. Which compound is an alcohol? So the correct answer there is B. Number 14. Which of these is a primary alcohol? If you look at the options very well, the correct answer is D. Number 15. The product of complete combustion of hydrocarbon is dash. So the correct answer there is C. So obviously, CO2 and H2O is a complete product of combustion of hydrocarbon. Now let's move to number 16. The bleaching action of chlorine is due to, this one is very simple. The correct answer there is liberation of nascent oxygen. 17. Which element is a halogen? So if you can remember your halogens, you would know that the correct answer there is fluorine, which is C. Now number 18. Which of these is an amphoteric oxide? Amphoteric oxide. So the correct answer there is C. 19. Which gas turn lime water milky? This one is very simple. Almost everybody knows this one. The correct answer there is acetic, is C, CO2. Now 20. Which acid is used in car battery? Which acid is used in car battery? The correct answer is sulfuric acid. 21. What type of reaction is NaOH plus HCl giving rise to NaCl plus H2O, which is water? And the correct answer for that question is C, neutralization. 22. What is the molar volume of an ideal gas at standard temperature? STP. A. 24 dm cube. B. So you can see the answer already there is 22.4 dm cube. 23. What is the mass of 2 moles of water? So the correct answer there is B. 36 grams. 24. The rate of chemical reaction depends on A. Only the pressure. So the correct answer there is C. Temperature, concentration, surface area, and catalyst. And 25. In redox reaction, oxidation involve A. Gain of electron, B. Loss of proton, C. Loss of electron, D. Gain of neutron. So the correct answer there is C. Loss of electron. Now 26. Which substance is oxidized in this reaction? So the reaction is stated there. Because of time, I wouldn't go through it. So the correct answer for that 26 is B. Zinc. All right, 27. Which of the oxidation states, which is the oxidation state of Mn in KMNO4? The correct answer for that is D, and that is plus 7. Now 28. The percentage composition of oxygen in water is approximately, the correct answer here is C, 88.89%. Okay. Now 29. Which gas is collected over water and is less denser than air? This one is very simple. The correct answer is B. 30. Which is a characteristics of endothermic reaction? Endo, not exo. Endothermic reaction. So the correct answer there is C. Absorption of heat. And 31. Which of the following is used to test for hydrogen gas? Hydrogen gas. The correct answer there is burning splint. Burning splint. That is D. Now 32. Which piece of equipment is used to measure the volume of liquid accurately? Volume of liquid accurately. So the correct answer there is C. Burette. So we use burette to measure the volume of liquid accurately. 33. What color does litmus paper turn in an acid? This one is very simple. So the correct answer there is B. Red. 34. Which is the color of copper 2 sulfate crystal? Copper 2, if you have seen copper 2 sulfate crystal, you would know that the color is blue. That is option B. All right. 35. A deliquescent substance, A. Sublimes easily. B. Absorb water and form a solution. C. Remain unchanged in air. D. Change color in air. So the correct answer for that question is B. Absorb water and form a solution. Now 36. Which salt is insoluble in water? The correct answer is C. BaSO4. Now 37. The flame test color for sodium is obviously yellow. So the correct answer there is C. Alright, so 38. Which ion gives a deep blue solution with excess ammonia? The correct answer is copper ion. That is option B. 39. Which compound is used in the laboratory to prepare oxygen? The correct answer there is C. H2O2. Now 40 and the last. Which is the correct order of reactivity of metals? Looking at that arrangement, you can find calcium, zinc, iron, and copper. Now, the correct arrangement, if you look at your options, the correct arrangement in order of reactivity of metal is calcium, zinc, iron, and copper. So the correct answer is C. So the way it is arranged in the question, that is the answer. Good luck.